Hey, second grade, this is Mrs. Alar here, and I'm going to go over your day 12 math exit ticket. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so that you could see the problem for today. So the problem today for day 12 says, estimate and measure. Copy the chart in your math journal or on paper. So what it wants us to do is first we have to copy this chart. So I'm going to go ahead and copy it into my math journal. It looks like a big box, and then it has a space for the name of the object, and it has two boxes on the bottom. It says estimate and measure. Now let's continue reading. Estimate the length of the notebook paper. Write your estimate in the chart. Use your ruler to measure the notebook paper. Write your measurement in the chart. Repeat this activity for your book bag and a cup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop sharing my screen, and I'm going to show you what I would like for you to do. So first it wants you to estimate how long this paper is. So I'm looking at it and I know that my thumb is about an inch, and I'm trying to think, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I feel like my thumb can fit on the paper about 10 times. So I'm going to write the word paper up here because that's what I'm measuring. And I'm estimating, right? I know that estimate means to think about what I know about measurement and put down my best guess. I'm going to put about 10 inches. Remember, we have to label our measurements. And then I have to actually measure it. So I'm going to take my ruler out. I have this ruler, but remember, in your packet, you have rulers as well. I'm going to go ahead and measure how long this paper is. And as I'm measuring, you can see that it stops right at the 11 right here. So I measured it, and I see that it is actually 11 inches. Remember, I put my ruler at the very top of the page, line it up correctly, and then I line it up very carefully at the bottom of the page to find my answer, and I see that it's at the bottom, it's at the 11. So I know that my paper, I estimated that it was 10 inches. I actually measured it, and I got 11 inches. Now you need to do this with two more objects. You need to make the same chart for your book bag. And then you need to make the same chart again for your cup. So now in your notebook, you should have both of these as well. I hope that this was helpful and that you now can see how to estimate and measure different materials for your day 12 exit ticket. Once you've completed your exit ticket, you can go ahead and give your day 12 a check off. Awesome job, everyone.